Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, another arrival from eBay. This is a Marx 666. I picked this up for $8. And it's complete, except that it's missing both of the push rods for some reason. I have no idea why. I made the guy an offer on it. He accepted. So I'm really curious to see what this actually looks like. All right. Stuff with paper. There's the locomotive. All right, let's get this out of the way. Always fun to open a new locomotive. Like I said, I got this for $8. And it's complete. I have no idea if it runs, but it's missing both of the push rods. I need my razor blade back. All right. Like I said, it's always fun to open a new locomotive. Now, I bought this for parts. It's got the front truck, the rear truck. I have no idea what kind of condition it's actually in. All right, there it is. A Marx 666, complete front and rear truck. The motor turns freely. It was originally a smoker, so I'm betting that the smoker probably jammed the bellows, and the smoker is powered by the push rods on the smoker. So if the smoker jams, it jams the motor, and the only way to free it is either dismantle the smoker and repair it, or in this case, just pull off the push rods, which is exactly what they did, it looks like. Now, let me pull this camera off the tripod. Now, you can see that this has not been run in decades. It's been sitting in a box someplace, and yet it's complete except for the push rods. So it's going to be interesting to see if this will run. So the very first thing we're going to do is use some oil. Let's see if I can shoot this whole thing. So we're going to put a drop of oil on the bearing for the armature. Just one drop. Turn the motor over. We're going to put one drop on the output shaft. Right there. All right, for now, that's all I'm going to do to it. So, a Marx 666 in really decent condition, just missing the push rods. So, we'll put this on track 2. Put it on the rail. Now, I've got push rods for it, so that's no big deal at all. Anyway, let me get the oil out of the way and turn the power on. All right, this is always the fun part. What's going to happen? It runs backwards. Focus the camera. It runs forward. Okay, headlight is out, obviously. You can see all the sparking coming off the wheels. That's an indication of dirty brushes. But it's running perfectly. All right, let's take it over to consist. And let's put this on the rail and see what this thing can do. Like I said, I got this for $8 and just made a offer, and he accepted. And going to be interesting to see how this runs. I just knocked my tripod over. All right, there we go. All right, let's see what happens. Reverse. Reverse. Huh, isn't that funny? This thing's been sitting for decades. And it runs forward. All right, let's take this around and see how it runs. Now, as it begins to run, it's going to wear all the oxide off of the brushes, and that sparking will stop. Looks like it already has. Oh, there's one spark. So it's running actually quite well, considering I haven't done anything to it yet. 2 drops of oil. Now, like I said, I've got a set of push rods I can put on it, but first I've got to figure out why they removed them. And there's no way to resurrect that smoker. All right. Well, it's running well. There's no doubt about that. Like I said, I bought this for parts. See, the E unit is not working at all now. And that's the thing. You know, they've been stored so long that the E units will work and then they will stop working. Well, it's working now. All right, well, it's running really well. So just in parts, it's worth a lot more than $8. So that runs quite good. So I'll pull this apart, and like I said, I bought it for parts, and if I can resurrect them, I do. So I've got a set of push rods. I'll put a set of push rods on it, put a light bulb in it, and take it from there. Anyway, I just wanted to do a grand unboxing. Marx 666, eBay, $8. Made an offer on it, and he accepted. And as you can see, there's nothing wrong with it. It's not damaged at all. It's filthy, yes, but it will only take a few minutes to clean this up. And replacing the push rods is no big deal. I can do that in just a matter of minutes. And the light bulb, just take the front cowling off, replace the light bulb, and it's up and running. So anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. $8 on eBay. The unit's working now. And like I said, I bought it for parts. But if I can get them running, I do. Obviously, it's already running, so the motor is good. It's just missing both set of push rods, which is odd. Like I said, the only reason I can think for that is perhaps the bellows got stuck. The bellows is powered by the push rods, and if that jams, it jams the motor. And then the only way to repair it is either remove the push rods or repair the smoke unit. In this case, it was probably easier just to pull the push rods off, which is what they did. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. $8 on eBay, and I've already pulled out a set of push rods for it. I can probably get those on there in a matter of minutes, and put a light bulb in it. We'll take it from there and see how it goes. Anyway, I just wanted to do a grand unboxing. As I stress, don't overlook the junk. $8 on eBay. Like I said, I bought it just for the parts. But if I can get them running, I do. So it's got the front truck, the rear truck. It's complete. There's no damage to it at all. It's been sitting someplace for years and years and years. But there's no great amount of storage damage. And there's no rust on it at all, as you see. A lot of oxide on the copper, turning to verdigris, that green stuff. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. I'll do a follow-up when I decide what I'm going to do to it. But very likely, I can get a light bulb in this, put a set of rods on it, and I have a new 666. We will see. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benstrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.